NCW has now confirmed that Rahul Gandhi's allegations about the UP government, that the UP government may actually be behind the atrocities in the Bhatta Parsol case. The NCW here saying that when their team actually went to the site, several women alleged that not only had they been molested, but the police also burnt their loved ones in front of their eyes.
When NCW reached DND UP border, NCW was stopped from visiting Bhatta in Parsol. NCW insisted very much on visiting and went to the villages. Women of these villages were very scared and reluctant at first to talk about anything. Finally, in Bhatta, they told how they were molested and their men and children were burnt alive. In Parsol, women told NCW how their homes were ransacked and looted. The women also showed NCW burnt rooms, burnt grandsacks, burnt haystacks, burnt fields. The women alleged the local and other police for these atrocities. I request a CBI inquiry as soon as possible so that evidence is not destroyed. I wanted UP government to launch FIR against culprits and do free and fair investigation. But although there are allegations of heinous cognizable offence, allegations are also of tampering the evidence by the state administration, and government is not launching FIR.
Let's listen in now to the NCW chairperson. She spoke with Times Now, and here's all the observations made by her.
NCW team, which had gone to Bhatta Parsol, is soon going to submit its report to the Prime Minister. What exactly were their findings? Let's talk to Ms. Yasmin Abrar, who is in fact the acting chairperson of the NCW. Ma'am, सबसे पहले बताइए, what were your main findings when you went to that village? What did you find? The main allegation is that of rape. Did you find any such complaint? Did you receive any such complaint from the villagers over there?
गांव में जो औरतों ने कहा और जिस एक औरत ने स्ट्रांगली कहा, वो ये कहा कि हमारे साथ में मोलेस्टेशन हुआ है। अंग्रेजी में नहीं, हिंदी में जैसा वो बोल रही थी, कपड़े फाड़ दिए, ब्लाउज फाड़ा, साड़ी को नीचे से ऐसा किया और ऐसा भी जो कुछ नहीं करना चाहिए वो भी किया। साथ में उसके साथ जो साथी थी, गांव की औरतें थी, उन्होंने उसको कहा कि हाँ ऐसा सब हुआ है। एक गांव की महिला, कंजर्वेटिव महिला से आप क्या उम्मीद करेंगे कि वो डायरेक्ट जबकि खुल के कहेगी कि मेरे साथ में रेप हुआ है। उसने जो कहा वो उसी साइड को जाता है और दूसरा उसके साथ की गांव की औरतों ने भी उसको बताया कि हाँ इसके साथ ऐसा हुआ है। लेकिन जो हम चाहते हैं, इसकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन प्रॉपर होनी चाहिए, FIR लॉन्च होनी चाहिए, उसके बाद में इसकी CBI से जांच होनी चाहिए।
So ma'am, at this point of time there is no formal complaint, but you suspect that that could have been the case.
देखिए, फॉर्मल इनफॉर्मल का बात नहीं है। जो गांव की महिलाओं ने बताया कि हमारे साथ बलात्कार जैसा हुआ है, तो गांव की महिलाओं को एक फेस सेविंग के लिए अगर एक महिला का पता लग जाता है कि इसके साथ में किसी पुलिस वाले ने रेप किया है या बलात्कार किया है, तो उसका तो बायकाट हो जाएगा, उसको रहना मुश्किल हो जाएगा। वो एक बार रेप या बलात्कार के बाद तो हर पल हर सांस में मरेगी। तो आप इसको भी पॉजिटिव और आप ये सोचिए कि उसके साथ में जो हुआ है या महिलाओं के साथ में जो हुआ है उसको हमें ब्रेक करना है, उनको कैसे सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी देनी है। मेन हमारे साथ में ये क्वेश्चन है कि पुलिस की सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी की जिम्मेदारी गवर्नमेंट की बनती है, जो कि गवर्नमेंट अभी तक नहीं देख रही है। उसको टर्न किया जा रहा है, ऐसा नहीं हुआ वैसा नहीं हुआ। मायावती जी का 5 पैतृक गांव है, क्यों नहीं जाके देखती है वहाँ पर? क्यों महिलाओं से बात नहीं करती हैं? एक महिला के दर्द को तो महिला समझ सकती है, वो क्यों नहीं समझ रही है? महिला को महिला ने बताया है, एक महिला को ही बता सकती है, तो वो हमने फाइंडिंग्स पाई।
Right. So ma'am, you're basically saying that as far as the safety and security of women in that village is concerned, they are concerned about the kind of situation that is prevailing as far as the police are concerned, and that is why they are not going out to complain. Is it fair for us to say that?
Yeah.
Right. Ma'am, what action will you take now? You have asked for a CBI inquiry. You will be submitting this report to the Prime Minister. What action will you see from NCW's side now?
This is my preliminary report. I want CBI inquiry, and I want free and fair investigation and proper launch FIR.
Okay. Thank you so much for talking to Times Now. So that was Ms. Yasmin Abrar, the acting chairperson of the NCW, saying that very clearly it is the kind of atmosphere of fear in those villages because of which women are not able to go out and complain of these serious charges of rape that have been leveled. Mazdas Gopal Krishnan, New Delhi, Times Now.